Hey guys, it's Simply Perfect, and today I'm going to be doing a review of NeoStrata Facial Cleanser. I'm going to tell you my favorite parts about this product, and then I'm going to walk you through my daily routine. And guys, if at any point in the video you want to check out this product, there is an Amazon link below. Let's get right into it. I gotta be honest, this is my favorite facial cleanser. The reason why I love this cleanser is because I have really sensitive skin. It gets irritated over everything. In the past, I've found it really hard to find a cleanser that suited my skin type. This is the first cleanser that I actually used that worked for me. Because I have dry skin and my face gets irritated really easily, I needed a product that wouldn't be harsh on my skin. One of the things I love about this facial cleanser is that it's fragrance-free. And if you didn't know, the chemicals in fragrances tend to irritate your skin, which is why I chose to find a product that was fragrance-free. This facial cleanser has almost 7 fluid ounces of product, which is a ton for the money. Along with how much product this contains, it also has a shelf life of 12 months, which is great if you only cleanse sporadically. So the reason why this cleanser works for me is because it is a water and gluconolactate base. Gluconolactate is an acid, which is great because your skin pH is actually acidic. This makes for a cleanser that is light and non-irritating and is great for all skin types, but especially sensitive skin. Now that I've told you all of my favorite parts of this product, I'm gonna walk you through my routine. So before I apply the product, I wet my skin. Then I put about a quarter-sized amount in my hand. Then I gently rub it into my skin because after all, it is a gentle cleanser. And then finally, I wash it off with some cool water and dry my face with a towel. So if you guys are looking for a fantastic gentle facial cleanser that works with all skin types, especially sensitive skin like mine, this is the product for you. If you guys want to check this product out, there is an Amazon link below. I highly recommend it. This is the best facial cleanser that's worked for me. If you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you out, help me out and throw a like down below. I hope you guys have a simply perfect day.